Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? After a very long time, my friend, this decision we need to, my friends, take a sell, hold, or buy. Definitely, this is very hard, my brothers, to we take a decision because the price is sometime increasing, the sometime decreasing. So therefore, what expert says, what my brother, especially holder says, everything, my brother, we need to, my friend, see, and after that, my brother, we will take a decision. So you must watch this video because this video is also very informative for you, my brother. My brother, first of all, we need to see, my friend, the update of Shiba Inu, and after that, we take a decision. So the update, you will see, first of all, the chain occurring. The chain occur last 1 hour is going to be lost now, but in last 24 hours, will get a profit, and last 7 days, they again lost now. So that's mean, my brothers, to after a short dump, they will pump, and after a short pump, they will dump. So that's a really bad, my brother, because everybody know this, my brothers, to upcoming term there is a lot of chances the price will be increasing, and my brother, and they will wasting time. So Shiba Inu is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and definitely they will give you a profit in upcoming time. So definitely, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think Shiba Inu is good option now. Invest now, get a profit, and definitely I'm 100% sure to they will make you millionaire now. So please don't miss a chance and take a risk and get a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. The price is completely increasing now, and the price is, my friend, you can see here, 0.506 USD dollars. Definitely the price will be increasing in upcoming time. Thanks for watching, holder. Remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.